Movies? Oh my God! Kung sa November, yes, I will watch a horror movies. Pero, mga Conjuring, hindi. Mga zombie lang yung yes, my third random questions. Do I really have a crush on JK? Yes, I have a crush on JK. Diba? Number one fans kayo ng Thunder. Okay. Yes, sila. So, they are my number one, ano dyan? Number one fans ng Kanji. Ang number four na ba tayo dyan? Number four na tayo. So, kayo naman yung magtanong sa akin. Ano? Mahilig ako paglaro? Oo, nung bata pa ako. Ayun, I think I was born with the playing badminton. Yes, I love badminton. Number 5. Yes, I love golf too. Number 5, random question. Bilisan, kasi do you have no, I don't have a guitar, but piano. Sandali lang doon. Meron pa akong guitar noon, pero nasira. Nasira yung string or something. Pero maluma naman yung masyado, mga baby pa ako. Number 6. Would you like to lakas mo, hindi ko kita marinig. You want to have your brother to clean the house? Yes, sometimes. Because tinatamad ako minsan. Kaya, ang ginagawa ko na lang, I wash the plates. And I work with my pets, like 2 puppies and 1 dog, Whitey and Chico and Mishka. Yung pinakita ko po sa inyo sa YouTube, sina Mishka versus Chico fighting with the bow. So, number 7, Jules, ikaw. Gusto mo ba lakasan, please? Gusto mo bang makiglaro sa kaibigan mo sa school? Hindi kami masyadong lumalaro sa school kasi we're so busy in our output, our drawing, our workshop, or something. So, that is it. Hindi ako masyadong nagalaro kasi kulang lang yung time ko. Yung time ko lang with the puppies, time ko lang with the tutor, time ko lang with the YouTube channel, you guys. And, thank you for all my viewers. So, number 8. Jel, ikaw na naman.
Would you like to comb your hair?
Yung boses niyo dapat kalakasan.